Burn away all carbon beam, knock your legs off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand.
It's your boy Harold coming in with his first YouTube video. Now let's give myself a round of applause. Let's go. Cause honestly, I never thought I'd see the day where I make a video, edit it, and hear myself yap all day. Now listen, my voice gets really, really annoying. Like that ass. It gets really annoying. You can ask my friends. I want to hear myself talk all day. And then on top of that, like I curse a lot. So with these videos, I'm trying to minimize the cursing for the kids and all that. You feel me? Today, I am choosing about 4 or 6 friends to go on a nice little ride in my 504 horsepower S2000. Now,
Dude, no freaking way, dude. 504 horsepower? Wow.
yes, 504 horsepower. These people don't really know how it feels to be like in a 504 horsepower car. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it slow, obey the law, and follow the speed limit. Cause to be honest, the police is wilding nowadays. You feel me? I ain't trying to get pulled over.
Psych! Pussyclot! Fuck them, Ross!
Alright, so now we got my boy Ronnie in here.
What's going on, man?
And Juquero.
You feel me? The Juquero on deck. What's going on, man?
Now, Ronnie, I don't know if Ronnie ever been in a fast car before. But
a couple, man. Feel me,
what's the fastest car you rode in before?
Porsche? Panamera, yeah.
Panamera.
Oh, this nigga bugging. Yo, no way, bro. No way. No way. Bro, there's no way. There's no way, bro. You went to like 50 miles an hour in like 3 seconds, bro.
You said this the Tuzzy? I just want to know, can it back it up? That's what I'm saying, Ronnie.
Nah, I think it's definitely gonna be backed up. From what I just seen in that little cut right there, bro. It's dope. It's a dope car, bro. Feel me? I ain't gonna lie. Probably the fastest, bro.
That you been in?
Yeah, bro. Straight up, bro. Straight up, 100%, bro.
And yeah, I heard that he rode in a Panamera, man.
Real shit, bro. Like, not even the Panamera was pushing like that. This right here, different, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
We're our first guest, Taina. Feel me? She has a YouTube channel also. I'll leave the link down in the description. So, how you feeling today?
I'm a little nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah, I'm an adrenaline junkie, but I'm low-key pussy, so ooh, you have to blur that out probably.
Yeah.
But yeah, I love this car. I wanted to ride in it ever since you first posted it. I manifested this, basically.
Basically.
Basically, I did.
Alright, bro. I appreciate it. Love this car.
I got my boy Diamond here now.
You already know who it is.
My boy been driving stick for a couple years now.
I could drive if you want.
What are you expecting today?
I don't know if I've ever been at 500 horsepower. The most I've been at was like 354. That was the STI.
Subi, word?
Yeah, it was nice.
Well, this is a different type of beast.
This
you
shit
feel me?
loud.
So just a little pull to get the blood flowing.
Yeah. This shit. This shit.
To get the blood flowing, I'm not even putting full throttle in it yet.
I
Relax.
believe you. The one thing I don't like about this car is that I play some music, I can't hear shit. I'm trying to hear Drake go crazy. Oil can light came on and the service engine light came on.
It's tough.
What?
Can you tell the people who taught you how to drive stick? tell the people.
My ex shorty taught me how to drive stick.
That's so tough.
Shout out to her. Yeah.
Shout out to her. Hello, can I get 2 separate orders, please?
I be dropping bags, no I don't, bitch, why you lying? M.S. popping tags, spent 5 racks on my designer. Put 15 up on your ass, boy, that